Here I have a Ross 100 series safe lock. It's a 6 lever. It's Australian made. I'm going to use my ICL padlock picks on it. It fits pretty well in these smaller keyways. So you can see we're on the bolt. I'll turn this around a little bit. Had to cut a notch in the tensioner here so I could get some pick wires in. I have 2 other Ross safe locks. I'll be doing a video on someday. I think it's a 600 series and a 700 series. There she is picked. So go ahead and get my tools out. And take it apart for you, show you what's inside of it. As you can see, it says Ross right there on the bolt. Let's go over here a little bit to my Mac. I did some rearranging in the garage to make things a little easier for me. I think it'll be easier for me. Oh, I just popped off a couple of levers. Here we go. There's what we got. There's the bolt stump right there. Have the gate right here. This doesn't have any falses on it that I've seen. According to their website, so let me do this. I don't know. The Ross 6-lever security lock is suitable, yada yada. Resists picking and pressuring, force entry, and optical intrusion. And it says 6 brass levers with springs have false notches on leading edge to resist picking. So my mouse isn't working for shit around here. Okay, there we go. So I don't see any notches that they're talking about, but we'll go ahead and pop them all, look at them. If it has focus. Yeah, I don't see anything there. Wait for 2. Wait for lever. Lever 3. 4. Number 5. And number 6. So there's the bolt. Try and pop around there too, if I can. These ought to come out sometimes. Now I have to take the plate off to take that out, so it's going to stay in there. You can see there's the bolt. That's the Ross 100 series. I don't have a key for this one. May try making one. I've got some blanks, but that's it. 6-lever Ross 100 series safe lock, picked and gutted for you. Thanks for watching.